How to install the repair scope. Warning: failure to follow Continental's installation instructions could result in escaping gas that could ignite and cause property damage, serious injury, or death. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need for this installation. The repair scope is used to make a permanent repair to damaged or compromised polyethylene pipe. The repair scope fitting is available for different repair lengths. The repair scope is shipped with a protective bag covering the constab ends. The instructions are contained in one of the bags. Remove the instructions and review the installation instructions. Replace the bag over the constab end. First, make sure the scope is for the size of pipe being repaired. In this case, we're repairing 2-inch polyethylene pipe, so we're using a scope with a 2-inch constab on each end. The repair scope is shipped and should be stored with both ends fully extended. Compress and extend the scope before using it to make your repair. Before entering the ditch to make the repair, follow your company's static electricity mitigation procedures. Cut the damaged polyethylene pipe once where you plan to make the first constab connection. Separate the two cut ends of the PE pipe. Clean the pipe end that is free from damage. Chamfer the polyethylene pipe end that is free from damage. Check the ID chamfer with the gauge. The O-ring on the gauge should start to enter the chamfered pipe end. Mark the stab depth on the polyethylene pipe. Remove the bag from the short end of the repair scope. Collapse the repair scope. This will prevent a pinch point during the installation process. Stab one end of the scope onto the chamfered pipe. The stab mark should be within 1/8 inch from the entrance of the stab fitting. The scope should be in the fully collapsed condition. Align the repair scope adjacent to the damaged pipe length. At the end of the stab fitting, mark the pipe for the second cut location. Cut the polyethylene pipe square. Clean the pipe end. Chamfer the polyethylene pipe. Check the ID chamfer with the gauge. Mark the stab depth. Expand the scope as you install the constab onto the chamfered pipe. The stab mark should be within 1/8 inch from the entrance of the stab fitting. The repair scope has been installed. Each joint must be leak tested in accordance with your company's procedures.